if you can see, I am in my model driven app. And the view that is currently open is my active account. So I'm in my accounts and my active view. You can see I have all this data, but if I want to edit anything, I have to actually open that record and go and make any changes like this, and I have to save the record to make sure that the changes are being saved. And I don't have any information regarding the opportunities. Like if I want to see any opportunities regarding any account, I have to go to the opportunities and look for them. So the goal really here is to actually see all that information in one view, where for each account I should be able to see the related opportunities. So this is my opportunities view. Currently it is my open opportunities. And another thing that I want to achieve here is, like, I'm interested in knowing the ratings. Like I'm interested in ratings, and you can see it's a choice column and it has three different options: hot, warm, and cold. So I want to for all these different options, I want to show a different color so that I can differentiate which type of opportunity is that. So this all could be achieved using a simple control, which is Power Apps Grid Control, and I'm going to show you how to set that up. So now I'm moving to my make.powerapps.com portal, and here I am in my accounts. So I'm in my account table. If I go to my accounts, I can go and look at views. So the way I'll be setting up this component on the view. So let's open this view, which is all accounts. I want to set it up on all accounts. Um, I have this, I'll go to the components, and you see there currently there is no component, and I have to add that component. It might not show up in the list, so I'll go and try to look it up. So, okay, so we are gonna go search built by Microsoft. Okay, I'm gonna refresh it one more time to make sure. Okay, I found the control. This is the control. I'm gonna add it. And once you have added the control, the next step is how you're gonna configure it. I told you that it's highly customizable and there are a lot of options which are in preview and you can set them up. But for today's demo, we'll be just setting up few options. So this is the first step is basically choosing the table. Like what do you want to show as a child record? Like do you want to show cases, opportunities, or what? In my case, I want to show the opportunities related to an account. So I'm going to go and find the opportunities table, which should be somewhere here. Okay, so once I select the opportunities, you see it will let me allow the view that you can choose any view that you are interested in. I want to choose all opportunities related to that account. And this table column is basically telling me which parent ID should I be looking at. Like, is it contact? Is it account? So I am interested in account. So I'm going to go and choose lookup, account lookup. So once I have set this up, these are the other settings that I was talking about. For this demo, we want to enable inline editing. So I'm going to go and set it to yes. And I want to show my option set to show colors. I'm going to go and set it to yes, and that's it. That's how we said we are going to go and save this. Once you have set it up, the next step is you're going to go save and publish your app, and then you're going to come to your model driven app and do a hard refresh. So if I go to my accounts now and I have set it up the control on all accounts, I'm going to go to my all accounts. Now you can see it looks different from the active accounts, and you have these forward arrows. So if I click on the one of the arrows, you will see I have all this data. So now this is my nested grid set up properly. What you are seeing here is right. I have one account and I can see all the related opportunities to that account. And let's say I wanna added this phone number for this account. Once I'm done editing, I can just move on. I don't need to click save or anything. It will auto save the information for this account. Another powerful feature, you remember I mentioned that I want to see different colors for this rating. Now you can see I have red color for hot, and warm for is green, and if I have cold it will be yellow. It might be here somewhere, like someone has a cold. So you can see like how I can see the different color for each option set, and I can differentiate. So how you set up these coloring is basically pretty straightforward. If you go to your opportunity and add that column, which is rating column, all you need to do is set up the colors. For my case, I have set it hot to be red, warm to be green, and cold to be yellow. And that's how you set up. If you don't want any colors, you can choose to leave it blank. But if you want colors, you can just need to choose color here, and it will show in your nested grid. So now you can see, like, I was able to edit the record. Inline editing, I can see the related opportunities, and I can see how my colors option set is so colorful. So we have implemented it for few clients, and we got a great feedback. So we can see how powerful tool this is. And eventually this is going to replace all reads only and editable grids. Um, this is what I wanted to show you guys. Please feel free to go and try and enjoy this. And if you have any more questions, feel free to reach to me or anyone from Stone Ridge.